Hello, I'm Denna, and you've pulled card number 41, the path of gratitude. Walking the path of gratitude transforms your life. Gratitude is more than a fleeting thought, it's a way of being, a lens through which the world becomes richer, softer, and more abundant. This card is an invitation to walk hand in hand with appreciation, to make it your trusted companion every single day. When you pause to give thanks, you shift your energy. The ordinary becomes sacred, and challenges reveal hidden blessings, and joy finds its way back into your heart, even in the quietest of moments. Each step taken in gratitude leads you closer to fulfillment. It's like laying down golden stones along your path, illuminating the way forward with love, trust, and peace. And gratitude doesn't ask you to deny your struggles. Instead, it gently whispers, "Look deeper. There is beauty here too." As you hold this card, breathe deeply. Let your heart open. Ask yourself, what step of gratitude can I take today? Maybe it's a simple thank you. Maybe it's noticing the sky, the laughter of a loved one, or even acknowledging your own strength. Whatever form it takes, know that each moment of gratitude aligns with your abundance, joy, and the divine flow of life. Today, gratitude is your guide. Where will it lead you? I invite you to connect with me and follow along a path at denna.com.au. May you make a difference, collaborate and grow, and continue to travel, inspire, grow.